miss his daddy? Do we all miss daddy? Tell daddy how much you miss him. Tell him. Tell him. Oh, yes. You miss him that much? Can you tell him, Avery? Huh? Can you tell daddy how much you miss him? Tell him, Hudson. Tell him. Say, come home, daddy. Say, hurry up. Yeah. Yeah. Say, hurry up. Is that how much you miss him, Avery? Is that how much you miss him? Huh? Huh? So you ready for him to come home? Yeah. Bless you. Say, hurry home, Daddy. Say, hurry home. Yeah. That's how much we miss him. That's how much we miss him. You better tell Daddy. There it is. Yeah. Say, come home. We'll see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. Is that right? Yeah. Tell him how much you love him. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. And you too. Say, all right, Daddy, we'll see you tomorrow. Say, we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah. Say, be careful on your plane ride home. Say, love you.